Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at this brand new 2021 Surveyor Legend 203RKLE by Forestriver. This is a rear kitchen, one slide out travel trailer. It's a lighter weight trailer, so we're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the inside, back to the outside, and then we're going to close it all up and show you what it looks like closed. Alright guys, we're now up inside this brand new Surveyor Legend trailer here. We're going to take a few minutes, run around the inside here real quick. We are looking toward the front of the RV. As you've seen on the floor plan, this is a one slide out front bedroom, rear kitchen trailer here. So looking toward the front, you can see here the sofa section. Below the sofa is two pull-out drawers. To the left, you have your nightstand with one drawer, USB charger port and electric outlet, along with a cup holder built in. On the right, you have two drawers, USB charger ports, electric outlet, and another cup holder built in. So you have quite a bit of space right here for some storage of clothing. Two hanging closets, one on each side of the bed. Pretty good size length to them, but you can fit quite a bit of stuff in there. And then up above, you have another shelf that goes all the way across the body of the RV here, basically. So almost 8-foot wide shelf there to put some more things up there. Now the sofa will flip down, and once it's in down mode, you can then bring down your 60 by 80 queen bed, which comes down off the wall there. And you can see back there, you obviously have a windshield that you've seen in the front. So you've got a nice view overlooking the front part of the RV if you want to leave that open, or a pull-down nightshade. And then on each side, behind those hanging closets, you have more storage there as well, shelf space. Window on both sides of the bed as well, and both of those windows open so you can get some cross breeze. If you don't mind, guys, and you're new to the channel, definitely be sure to like, share, subscribe. Remember to hit the bell icon if you're interested in keeping up with more of these RV videos. I try to update these RVs at least 2 or 3 times a week with some new models and information for you guys. Now looking this way, we have our dinette slide out system here. And down below, you can see there's some storage underneath each seat. And you can either, one, open the door, or two, flip the seat cushions up and get to it that way. Now this will fold down, also make into a bed, so you could sleep a guest or two right here. Big window in that dinette area as well. Now the one on each side do actually open, but that large window does not. On the wall there, they got a little decorative mirror, your furnace and air conditioner control, an electric outlet, and the carbon monoxide / propane leak detector down below. Looking back toward the kitchen area here, you have some storage down below. 4 drawers right there, so quite a bit of storage space and drawer space. Your radio right here. On the side of the lower cabinet's an electric outlet, and down there is also your fire extinguisher. A lot of counter space running down the length of the RV here. Now up above, you have again some more storage space, and also on this little section of wall here is where your TV should go if you want to do a TV. It's blocked out inside the wall there to accept a wall mount TV. But you can also see the little red light on the bottom of the cabinet there. That is the booster button for the TV antenna system, and you can see the wires hanging out of the cabinet there, which connect the radio to it as well. On the side of the cabinet is some controls for your awning and your light switches, along with the slide out as well. Now the unit has a pretty good inside ceiling height. I'll put the exact height down in the description below, but I think it's around 81 or 82 inches tall in here roughly. And that's in part due to the nice arch in the curve of the roof line. Ducted air conditioning. Speakers in the ceiling, along with, again, speakers outside. Now, all the windows in the RV do open except for that one big one that was by the dinette. High arching faucet there with a large single bowl sink. You have the Greystone oven, Greystone microwave, and Greystone hood range with the light and fan. So they kind of do a matching appliance setup there. Now the oven has the light built into it along with the glass front, the LED lit knobs, the glass top, and 3-burner stovetop. Now back in the corner there is some more storage space. And down below are 3 more full extending ball bearing drawer guides. So you have 7 drawers here in this kitchen area. Furnace down below the refrigerator. And then you have your 8 cubic foot gas and electric nor cold refrigerator. So it'll work off propane or electricity, either one. Sliding pocket door, which goes into the bedroom area here. And you have a pretty good sized shower here. It's probably about 4, maybe 5 inches deep. So if you did have a small child with you, you could maybe give them a bath in there if you stopped it up. There's a pull across curtain, skylight up above the shower for a little extra height there. A little hood range fan up top there. Wood medicine cabinet instead of plastic, so it's a little bit nicer upgrade. A little bit of storage below the sink area there. Porcelain foot flush toilet. And some linen closet space over here on this side as well. Now on the side of the cabinet by the sink there, obviously an electric outlet, ground fault breaker, but there's also the monitoring panel for your tank reader. So it'll tell you your gray and black tank, your fresh water capacities, your battery condition, along with your gas water pump switch and your water pump itself. All right, guys, we are going to head to the outside, show you all around this RV, and then we're going to come back in and close it up and show you what it looks like closed. All right, guys, we're now back on the outside of this new Surveyor Legend trailer here. We're going to start here on the door side, work our way around. So starting up front here in the corner, you have pre-wire for a side mount portable solar panel. So you could do one of those little Furrion panels, Go Power, Zamp, quite a few different brands make a nice solar panel that will tap right into that spot there. Large pass-through storage goes all the way across the RV here. And you can see here on the left some handles for the slide override, the jacks, and the power tongue jack. And then also you're seeing there a Blue Ox Sway Pro hitch system that this customer chose to go with. And a little pet-friendly bowl up there. And you're also got a light inside there. Now the baggage door is held up by a magnetic clip instead of a plastic clip, so it's not going to break as easily. Heavy-duty scissor jacks. There's 4 of them, 1 on each corner to stabilize the unit. And also you'll see under there a covered underbelly. Triple entrance step going in and out of the coach. This is the traditional RV hover step, so it does fold in and out. Pretty good size awning for the unit. You'll see that in the description. But basically you have an LED light strip built into the tube. I like it in the tube because you can rotate that tube with your power button, kind of direct the light where you want it to go. So you can point it down or back toward the RV or even out a little bit. Arms are adjustable for tilting and water runoff. You have deep tint safety glass windows on the RV. Handle there, help you get in and out. It folds against the side of the RV. And also you'll see your model number and stuff right there, along with the stickers about the Asdale. There's a sticker here. You'll see some advertisements inside, even on the front corner there. But, you know, just trying to promote that Asdale composite sidewall material instead of Luan board, so it's not going to rot out and delaminate as easily as what a wood-built camper does. Aluminum wheels down below here, you can see. Double axle. TV hookups for the outside. There's an electric outlet there as well. You also have a traditional porch light here, which is kind of rare because most of them, when they do an LED light, don't do the porch light. So it's nice to have both. On the back corner back here, you have your 6-gallon gas and electric water heater. Typical 4-inch square tube bumper for an RV. It's got the spare tire mounted to it, but you could also do like a small bike rack or little luggage rack or something like that. LED running lights. You can also see the nice arch to the ceiling here, the roof line. This has the 15-year warranted tough ply PVC roof. Really nice setup for the roof. A little bit better than the old traditional rubber roofs you found on campers. But definitely a good roof system for the RV. Outside utility shower with hot and cold water right here. Detachable power cord with 30 amp electric service. Cable inlets, black tank flush for your toilet system, and your city water inlets are right here. And also down below you'll see your gray and black dump handles popping up here. Slide out is electric, so you push a button, it goes in and out. We'll show you that when we go back into close her up. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more of these videos. I try to update as many of these things as I can for you as they kind of roll in and out of here. Usually 2 or 3 new units a week for you. Other side here is the pass-through storage compartment. Fresh water inlet fill-up is right here for your portable water tank. And just down below, you can see the little white cap sticking down there a little bit. That is the drain for it. On the front of the RV, you do have a lower diamond plate. The little red box down there is a battery disconnect. 2 20-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator and the hard bottle cover. Power tongue jack with a built-in light, manual override. A rolled fiberglass front with the windshield in there. Typical safety change, breakaway cable, and 7-way Bargman plug to help you with all your wiring and your lighting and your brake control and stuff. So definitely have a brake control. Again, you need that to control the brakes of the RV. We're going to pop up here your weight stickers. So you're going to see your gross vehicle weight with your axle information on it. Then your unloaded vehicle weight sticker. And your tire sticker. Along with your carrying capacity sticker there as well. But overall, pretty cool little lightweight unit here. Great for a couple or the occasional kid guest or something for the dinette. But we're going to take a minute now, head inside, close up that slide, show you what that all looks like. Alright guys, we're now back inside the RV. And I just wanted to show you again up here your slide out button right here. So all we got to do to bring this thing in is push the button. The slide floor does kind of tilt upward a little bit because it is a flush floor slide, so it has to tilt up some to come in. Now you can let off the button if you need to, if you want to run around and check on anything that might be on the lower side to make sure you're not running into it or anything. But the slide will come in. And the nice thing about this layout, you still have full function of the RV even with the slide out end. Now obviously it takes up quite a bit of floor space, but if you're on the side of the road, a rest area, Walmart parking lot, something along those lines, you can still come in here and fully use the RV. Basically get to your kitchen, your bathroom, your refrigerator, all your stuff that you need to. Even the bed itself will fold down properly so that you can come in here and sleep if you need to. So if you're tired and need to pull over and take a break, you can come in here and use this without actually opening anything up. Now just to kind of give you an idea what it looks like here when it is all closed up. Again guys, if you don't Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of these RV videos. And you can reach Couch's RV Nation at 888-417-8299 if you'd like to talk with one of the salespeople directly. They are the ones that let me do these videos for you guys, and will definitely save you guys a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks again, guys, for checking out the videos.